PM start we can do in project full. If fan is not required, you can off it.
Recording in progress.
So hope the admin header is coming. We have made this one in the dashboard page. So go to the admin dashboard. Unable to send the SRC. Send again. Check. So we'll go to the study file that was called admin dashboard. In admin dashboard, we have imported the admin header. Okay, now we have written the dashboard here. Is okay. Create one more row inside. Copy this row and paste below. Create one more row. Click for we can write. Center we can apply. Write as a 3. 3 is empty. One more 3. One more 3 and one more 3. College 3, college 3, college 3, college 3. Out of this multiple 3, the first 3 and last 3 will be empty. The first 3 and last 3 will be empty. Middle 3. SRC will not open directly. You have to extract it. You don't know how to extract the folder. This zip folder you have to extract, then only you'll get it. Right click, extract here. Right there inside H5. Total products. They are I can send you again. More than that, I cannot do anything. I send you again SRC folder. Now, after that, you should know how to download that and how to extract it. DIG. Again and again. Next, after that, class name P5. Rounded shadow text primary. Total orders 500. This is a static data you are displaying inside the page. It's come like this. There should be some gap in between. I have given 3. I will increase to 4. Check in your system if it is fitting properly. Let it be. In mine screen size is smaller, so I will be giving as a first 2 and last 2 as a empty. Middle I will give 4 and 4. Middle I will give 4 and 4, so that it will fit properly in my screen. So it's like this. This number which is displaying, this will become dynamic. Once we complete the design part, we will make it dynamic. Okay, so how dashboard look like this? You can display one icon also here. It will look more better. Before H5, you can use one I tag, class name equal to FA, and FA hyphen suitcase. FA hyphen 3x. FA hyphen 3x. Next, in the second block, you can write call orders. Orders we can keep in a, which one? Phone you can keep. Ready? Getting any icons? Two icon is coming. Icon size, if look better, more big size, you can reduce that. No problem. P5 is taking much space. P4 also will be okay. 2x can be better. The static design of home page is clear. Dashboard is ready. Manage product, manage orders. 2 page we have to create. Okay. Now 2 component we have to create. One component for the orders and one component for the product. And after that, for admin, we can write the routing. After that, for admin, we can write the routing. Using separate file for and navigation is separate header file. This is the dashboard file. Now navigation we call in dashboard. Wherever the dashboard will go, navigation will go together. Without React? Without React, why without React? Now what is the question? Tell me clear question. Without React, your own wish, how you want to write, you can write it. But in React, you need to do like this. Okay, so next component we are creating admin product.js. Admin product. So product already we have here, no? Product and order already we have. Anyone still writing this file? So hope you have completed that. See, everyone know complexity, right? Complexity we are aware of, no? Technology will not attend regular class next day, no meaning. If you take not file, take the entire folder, also no meaning. So since I'm putting my effort for your purpose, you have to understand that and join the regular class. If you not join regular, no meaning. Okay. So hope you are going to log in on time and regular. Let's come to the product component file. In product component file, you can call the in product component file, you can call this top two line, because in every file the admin headers will be remain same. In admin login, import const admin product equal to category method. Next, after that, export default admin header. Admin not header, admin product. Next, after that, it's kind of double teaching for you, correct? This is a double teaching, no? Already once your React is going on or finished, again I'm teaching, right? In this also you lose, then there is no any option. In this also, if you are not coming on time, not logging on time, not attending, there is no meaning. That meaning you don't have any proper plan. So return double teaching work. Write a division, class name, container, a division, class name as a row, a division, class name, call hyphen sg hyphen 9. First will be 3, 3. Second will be 9. And 9. Inside the 3, we have to create a form to add the new product. Follow a division. Class name MB3, label product name. Next text box, input type equal to text. Class name equal to form hyphen control. Product name, product price, product photo, then product details. This should be under the first. Text area. After that, one button is required in center. But this button should be inside the division, and then it will appear in the middle. Class name text hyphen center button save product. btn hyphen 3 to 3. Let's design properly. Okay, but how to see that page? We have to add in the routing, then only it will come. Okay, so complete the remaining part, then directly we'll add in the routing. Come to the 9, but in this there should be one heading also called add product. You can add empty 4 you can add in the beginning. Then inside the 3 you can add here for
Sir, you will not call the admin header at the top.
admin header will call inside h3 or maybe h4 you can add here. Add product. Admin header you can call here before empty. To open the empty tag. Header you can call. After calling the admin header, you need to close the empty tag in the last. Hello. Yeah, afternoon. We'll call you at what time? 11 o'clock. We will call you at 11 o'clock. Empty tag open, empty tag close. After that, in beginning, we call the header. So wherever the admin product will go, admin header will also go together. And remember the JSX rule. In one page, if more than one element is required, then what to do? For that purpose. Container is the bottom section, header is the upper section. Navigation should be in the top and container should start after that. Okay, so hope empty tag you open close. Inside you added which one? Admin header. Next, after that, go to the 9. Under the 9, you will add one H3 here or maybe H4 available. Keep here 10. Available products. 10 available products. Last name, text hyphen center. Now create a table here. Inside the table, we need to list the products. Create a table. Second, you can use the classes of Bootstrap. Class name equal to table hyphen BORDERED MT4 or 3 and shadow also. T head we can add, TR we can add, class name BG hyphen light, text hyphen primary, TH we need to follow, book ID, not book ID, product ID, then their name. Next their price. Next their details or maybe photo. Details, then photo. After that, action. This all are inside the 9. Okay, table is ready. Inside table T head we have added. T body will come once the product will. So product page design is ready. Okay. Next two component we have dashboard and product. For this we will add the routing. We will add the routing and then we'll see it's loading or not. Okay. So hope everyone has completed. Now I will come to the main file. The main file is which file? App.js. In app.js, look at here. In app.js file, we are calling dashboard as well as this one, right? We are calling dashboard as well as this one. Now dashboard you are calling here. Let's call again another one. What is another one? Product. But if you call the admin product here directly, both the component will load. Dashboard will also load and then admin will also load. So now we have to apply the limitation here. If the user will click on dashboard, then dashboard will come. If you click on product, then product will come. So that you need to add here, import the next component. Import, what is that? Admin import admin product from the admin/product file. After that, come down and here you can import that as well, but we will be writing the condition. No problem. Let's call here and add that product, admin product. You can import the admin product. Now, before writing the admin product, you have to add here the routes, ROUTES, routes. So this routing is covered for everyone, whether React your syllabus is in the beginning or last or finished, it is covered for all the people. Okay, routes. Okay, ready? By default, what is happening now? Blank is Roots we have written. Now we need to follow inside root. Without root, it will give the error. The roots is the parent component, and the root will be the child component. So let's go and write here. ROUTE root EXACT exact PATH exact path equal to empty only slash. Okay, only slash, then ELEMENT element equal to lower bracket open. Inside that dashboard you are going to call as a element. Dashboard you are going to call as a element. Similar way, so here will be called slash manage product. Here will be slash dashboard, and here you can add one more line. If URL is empty, then also load the dashboard. URL is empty, then also load the admin dashboard only. Or if the admin has click on the dashboard, then also load the dashboard only. SSARD dashboard and dashboard. Save now. Okay, hope ready. So which page is loading by default? Dashboard will come because by default URL is empty. So for empty URL we are given as a dashboard only. Next, manually you type in the browser URL manage product, but leave that manual. Let's come to the admin header. We will give the link and then we'll try. So now this path is generated. In which file? App file. In app file, path is generated. So where to link it? In the header file, we have to link this. Which one? Whichever the path is generated, we have to link that. So question is where to link. Where is the header file? Or where is the navigation? Navigation is a separate file that is called admin header. So in admin header, we have to go and we have to use the link tag, and there we have to apply the link everywhere. So let's wait a minute. If you all are ready to go, we can move next. Manage product is a URL. You can write anything here. Manage product is the URL that can be anything. Ajit, you know, when I was coming morning from the home, I have 3.5 years son. He was asking like, why you take daily class? He asked one question while coming, take the class from home today. Okay. Yesterday night till 2 o'clock, I was doing some work for someone. He asked like nearly 1 o'clock, he get up and he asked like, still you are taking the class. Who asked? That 3.5 year person asked. Somehow he is able to speak. Okay. Now tell me, 8 o'clock I left him in home and came here. Sunday is a full freedom day, no? Yes. At 8 o'clock, 7:45 I left them in home and came here in institute for home. I can leave Sunday also. Monday to Friday I can cover. Your class may be 15 days more. It may be 1 month more, right? Now I came on time and you are coming 1 hour late. What is the sense of that? No any sense? Okay. So that will not work out, okay? Okay, you joined, you have paid the money in Info Campus. That is fine, but personal point of think little. A person who is sitting for you, he came 1 hour before, and the person for whom is sitting, he came 1 hour late. Guest came 1 hour late, host came no, guest came 1 hour before and host came 1 hour late. That is that, okay? Okay, next after that, now wherever we are going to link, we will call this URL. Which URL? Dashboard path. It can be anything. It is not like it will be only dashboard. It can be anything. Product also. It can be my product also. It can be. It's a manual generated URL. This is what manual generated URL. Routing you have seen in your classes already. So I think no need to explain much here. Now we'll go to which file? Header file. Come to the header file. In a header file, admin header. How many URL you got now? One URL, two URL, or three URL? Three URL. One is only empty URL. Another one is slash dashboard. Another one is slash manage product. Look at here. Slash dashboard slash manage product. Okay, so hope the folder was received in the chat. Yeah. Let's go next. Come to the admin header. Here you can write in dashboard, you can write. You have already written their link, correct? DASHBOARD, dashboard. Another one is called manage order. We have not generated the URL still for manage orders, right? Let's write, we can change later also. MANAGE, manage order. Okay, below we have the product. We can write here slash manage PRODUCT. So slash is compulsory everywhere. Manage product, manage order, and then slash dashboard. So this path what we are writing here, link to is nothing but the path what we have set under which file? app.js file. In app.js file, the path we have created okay, so hope ready. Now come to the browser, click on manage product and check once the page is coming or not. Manage product. The page should load. Click on dashboard, dashboard should come. Manage product will come. We have to give some empty, I guess, from top. Please check and let me know your page is loading or not. Okay, so let's go ahead. Hope for many people pages are loading. Next, after that, in that file, which file? The product page we have created just now. In product page, with the container empty4 we have written, might be empty5 is required here. Empty5 from top 48 pixel space it will apply. From top 48 pixel space it will apply. Manage product, when I go, it should give some sufficient space from beginning. Is okay now. Empty5 you can write, it will appear. In product page, empty5 you can add and then check once. Okay, so dashboard is okay. Plus manage product is also okay. Static page are loading properly. Now I will share you again SRC folder. Not all SRC under the admin only. Okay, or take entire SRC. If error, then replace that. Get ready for next part. Still, we are covering those things that we have covered in the classes. Even single line is not extra. Okay, for the people who have started the class and people who have finished the class. For everyone, I have covered the routing. For everyone, I have covered the which one? Till array, and then here there data binding session start till there it's completed. So take the folder SR. Yes, folder structure is little different. We are calling a component inside component. That is for experience only. No? Same line you cannot find everywhere like BPO. Hello sir, how can I help you? In BPO, what will happen? Whenever you call in the BPO, every time the sentence will be same. Good morning, how can I help you? So in development, it will not be like that. Every line will be new. So we should be able to understand all the lines according to need. Okay, now next moving on. Moving on, next part that is called which one? The manage orders. Okay, manage orders. So if you have made ready, let's take 1 more minute, 2 more minute. Hope some people are replace that.
So, doesn't make sense today.
Hmm. Okay, so in the product file, not product file, next one is a order file. The structure of the order file will be, when we go to the order page, right? As of now, nothing is coming because page itself we are not made. Header also we are not going. So in order page, suppose one user, you go to the Flipkart and then add to cart, you do for 3-4 product. After doing 3-4 product, what will happen? It will come to the cart. Once you go to the cart, there it will display you multiple carts, multiple items. Okay. But user is only one. So for one user, how many products? Multiple products. For one user, multiple products. Okay. When it will come under the order. Okay. When it will come under the order. Based on application structure. Suppose you go to the Flipkart and place the order for 3 products. Okay, maybe one notebook, maybe one pen, maybe one mouse. Now notebook belong to one vendor, product belong to, the mouse belong to other vendor, and then notebook belong to other vendor. All 3 not belong to one vendor. All 3 belong to where? Different supplier. Your order will be placed. You place a order pen, that supplier in Hyderabad. You order a notebook, that supplier in Delhi, and you order a mouse, that is supplier in Bangalore. Now delivery will not happen in one day. Delivery will happen in how many days? Same day also or different day also, but the delivery person will come how many times? 3 times. Because supplier is different. Supplier is not only one. So once you place one order, it will create the 3 order ID for that. and each order ID will go to the each supplier. We are using the JSON server. We are not using the database. Okay. So in JSON server, the order will not go to the different supplier. Order will be only one place because you cannot do here RDBMS. Relation you can't establish. Okay. For one product, for one user, how many orders are there that will come? It will show this is the user and these all three are the product. Okay. So how we'll do that? That is the next part. First, let's design the page. Come to your next page, that is called which one? Order. In order, I will suggest you can copy paste the product page complete copy and paste into the order page. Okay, hope added. Copy paste done. Now come and change the component name. Admin order. Admin order. Change in the beginning and change in the last as well. Admin order. Admin order is the name of the component. Next, in admin order, form is not required. Okay. So in call LG3, what we are given? Form we have given, remove that. 3 let it be, but delete there the form structure, including button. Including the button you delete, let it be the only 3. And you can write here call, header call, customer details. So call LG3 will be the customer details. Call LG3 will be the customer details. And call LG9 will be the order details. There we can write order items 4. Order item 4. In that ID we don't need to display. Name you display. Product name, product price, product details, and product photo. Details also you don't need to display. This is for whom? For the admin who is selling the product, the supplier who is selling the product. Okay, the supplier who is selling the product. So first, please modify till here. It's nothing, just modify all 3 column, keep it empty. Call LG3 and call LG9 is empty only, no, as of now. We modify order items 4. Customer is only 1. Customer is only 1, but the order item how many? 4. Okay, how it will be dynamic? That next, once we make everything dynamic, then we will see. You can let me know once we have done. Right. Next, after that, this component we need to import there. Where we want to import? In the app.js file. And what should be the path? Manage order. If you remember, look at here. In header file, admin header, already we have given a link, manage order. So wherever you are going to call that, suppose import admin order from. Next, after that, you will add one more element here. Manage order, admin order. Now, on the basis of click, the page has to load. Working. So in this, what will happen is, see, manage order is coming like this. So in the left side, you will have a customer details. And in the right hand side, you will have the product details. Now suppose one customer has ordered 4 product. So here all the 4 product name and details will come. Again, second customer has ordered only 1 product. So again, customer details will come, and below list of the right hand side list of the product will come. Come to that file, order page. We have to do some modification. So we'll go to that page again. Order page. In order page, create a row in the beginning, like create a complete 12. Division, class name, call hyphen lg hyphen 12. MB3 or 4 you can write. H3 we can write here. Order management. H3. This should be in the text center. So modify that. This will be the heading. Order management. Okay, order management. Link will be ready. Order management. Now in that, this heading should be a small heading. So what we'll do is this one you convert into H6 because this is going to repeat many times. Which one? This one. First to write is H6. Customer details. Order items. Okay, hope ready. Now font size is coming small. Come there again in the code. Three 9 we are given. Convert into 4 and 8. Convert into 4 and 8. Convert into 4 and 8. Okay. Next, after that, the further plan will be this 3 and 9. The 8 and 4 what you are creating, because suppose there is a 20 orders. Suppose 20 orders. And in each order, customer information will be there, and he has order how many product will be there. So suppose there is a 20 order. So what will happen here? This line will repeat total 20 times. 20 times. Right? So in that case, 4 and 8 you cannot repeat. You have to repeat completely the row itself. So the suggestion will be at this place, close the row. Close this row, division you close and start one more row. That's all, nothing else. Just close a division as a row, like first row and second row start. So the second row will go under the for loop. Second row will go under the ng for. And in the second row you can write MB3 and border hyphen bottom. So after one product, one border will come in the last. After printing one product details, border will come in the last. Hope ready? Border is coming in the last. Border bottom will come. See, so this will become one order. After that, one more order will come. There also border bottom will be there. So it will be separate. One order separate, second order separate. MB3 you should convert into MB4 or 5 so that there will be proper space. Proper space. Okay, border bottom will give sufficient space. So new managed product is coming here, managed order is coming, and dashboard. All three are ready. Okay. Next work will be to make it dynamic. Whatever the product will add here, whichever the product will add here, it will come in the right side. And whichever the product you add here, it will display as a length. And whichever the product you have here, that will come under the count. Okay. And whichever the product you have here, all will come in the website. Okay. We have to create another part still. As of now, there is the admin work where we are going to control the data. Now the same thing, once the admin has added the data, this data should display to user on the home page. There we will display the data and user can buy from there. Okay. So that is the next work. But for today, we will leave here only. Next weekend we can work some more part. Making the functional in the sense saving the data, listing the data. Their JSON server will come. Okay. So for some people still going on. So this week for them JSON server will be finished. And for some people who have already finished, they should revise once, and then next class will be helpful for you. Okay. If you are attending properly, coming on time, following everything well, then definitely you will get very good idea. But if you come here, there, don't know. I will share the SRC folder now again. For React, people will not teach you jQuery. Okay. If you have a plan, further classes will be there. You can join it. It is not compulsory. There is a multi combination of people in the class, so it is not like what you are learning, everyone will learn the same. For project session you join, that's all. See you in the next class on Saturday.
Sir, tomorrow class is there for Redux, 11:30.
Yes, it will be same time, 1 o'clock,
Oh, one, yes, yes.
1 to 2. Okay. I send you the SRC folder again. It should be in your chat. You can download from there. Next project class on the next Saturday,
And
same time, 8 o'clock.